Welcome back to my channel. This is Michelle with Glamour Has No Age. Today we're going to go over my live Glam Brush Club, what I received this month of September. 2, 3, 4. I received 5 brushes. The first brush I received is the M441 Firm Blending Crease. It says this tapered crease brush has just the right amount of fullness and firmness to achieve perfect blending and seamless transitions between colors. That's good to me. I like that. The next one is an E18. It's a round crease. This shorter bullet-tipped brush will give you a strong, more defined crease color and is perfect for cut crease looks. I'll give that a go. The next one I received is the Oval Shadow. Looks like that. This perfectly shaped synthetic brush tackles inner and outer color placement with bristles that perform like they're natural. All right, that's good for me. The M431 Precision Pencil Brush Crease. This natural pointed brush is perfect for brow bone and inner corner highlight or smoking out your lower lash line. That's a good one for me. Last but not least, the Flat Liner Definer. This brush can do it all. Carve out your eyebrows. I have a brush like this that I use it for. Apply eyeliner and even define your nose contour. So that's another good one to have. This costs me $19.95 a month. I'll put a link down below in the description box if you want to sign up. If you use my link, I get 2 free brushes. You get 2 free brushes. You're not obligated to use it, but in case it's something that you want to do, I'd appreciate if you use my link below. All I have for the video. Thank you for watching. If you like videos like this, give it a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.